Hey, welcome to Paige Family Homestead. I'm Andy, and she's not. Peggy's behind the camera there. Today we are making sweet and sour, no, honey garlic salmon in the oven and broiling it. It doesn't take long to do. Well, what takes long is that I have to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. I mean, the fridge for 20 minutes, let it marinate in the sauce that we're going to be making. And right now I've got about 2 tablespoons of melted butter in there. So I'm going to make the sauce right now. So 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar.
Homemade.
Homemade. That's right. 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Use the man tool. This is the proper way to do it. Or my other sidekick, spoon. 2 tablespoons of that. There we go.
Do you want a whisk for that?
No, I don't want that thing. Negatory. And then we have 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Oh yeah. Can you smell it? Smell-o-vision. Imagine making smell-o-vision. I fart.
Oh God, Andy.
Okay.
He would.
2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay. And then 2 tablespoons of honey.
Honey and garlic go hand in hand.
Oh, always. It's they're just made for each other.
Like basils and tomato.
Oh yeah, big time. There we go. So I'm going to make up this, just wisp it together with a man tool.
Would you like a whisk?
No, I don't want one of those things. This is a perfect sauce for salmon. Just, beautiful. So here we go. This is really looking good. Smell that? See that? Doesn't that look good? So what we're going to do right now, I have a owie.
With painter's tape for a band-aid.
When I was cutting the lemon. So what we do is put the lemon all on the bottom of the pan.
They're bloody expensive here in town.
Well, in town here, these are $4 for. Well, they're $1 something each, and in Trenton, they're only 25 cents. I don't get it. Well, this is like a cottage country up here.
Yeah.
So they're gonna try to get you.
Are they ever bleeding people?
Oh my God, I can't believe it.
Won't shop here.
No, don't shop here. Stay there in the city. Hot child in the city. Okay, then we're gonna put the salmon over top of the lemon. Like that.
Is this Atlantic or Pacific salmon?
This is Atlantic salmon. Oops.
I was just kidding.
Tabletop salmon. There. And then I'm going to rub a little bit of paprika on it. Ever so lightly. Okay. And then I'm going to just rub that in.
I love salmon.
I'm going to flip it over. And do the same on the other side. Doesn't have to be a whole pile of it on there. Just enough to rub it in. Rub it in. Okay. There's where I wipe my fingers off because that knife would have hurt really bad if I would have used that finger. Okay. And here we use a 1/4 teaspoon, which I'm just going to use a pinch of
Not on mine, please.
no, this goes into the sauce.
Oh.
Like this much. Okay, so what we're going to do, and tool to use that. See, that just mixes it so perfectly when you use this. La 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 la. Okay, now what we're going to do is I'm going to spread it over everything, all of it.
Oh, it smells good.
Oh, it's beautiful.
What are you serving with this?
And I'm going to plate this on a bed of rice.
And I'm not cooking nothing. Not a thing.
See, after that's done, just so I can try some.
No.
Good for you. It's air in your chest. So now, I'll bring you back in 30 minutes. I'm going to let this marinate and sit in the fridge for 30 minutes, and then I'm going to bring it back out and let it sit for 15 more minutes to come to room temperature. Okay, we're back now. So what we've got here, I'm going to put it in here, unbroil, and we're going to put it in for 8 minutes.
Up on the top?
On the top, yes, on the top.
Ooh.
That's where they say to do it.
Ooh.
So we're going to leave that for 8 minutes, and I'll bring it back.
That smells so
Okay.
good. Whoops, your arm.
Yep. So what I've done, pulled it out, and we're supposed to put it back in for another 5 minutes. Look at that. Just beautiful. Oh, does it ever smell good? Wow.
I can even
stuff.
smell the lemon. And the honey.
Oh yeah.
So how long now?
Just for another 5 minutes. You put it back, depending on how thick your meat is, like the salmon is.
Yeah.
Mine's pretty thin, so I'm only going to put it in for another 3 minutes. Then I'll bring you right back when I do that.
Oh, we're going to enjoy this.
Oh yeah, heck yeah.
Oh.
On a bed of rice. Can't get it.
Yeah, don't burn yourself.
Damn. Oh.
Hot, eh?
Yeah. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, that's hot.
Look at that.
Just gorgeous. Oh yeah.
Oh, you be a good salmon cooker. Let's get this plated up.
Okay, bring it right back. Okay, welcome back. Just get those out of there. Seeds out. And I'm just going to squeeze a little bit of the lemon on there.
Do you know how hard this is, people, to be videoing while he's enjoying?
Now. Oh, it's done just perfectly.
Good.
Perfectly. Oh. Well, you can taste the garlic, the lemon, really strong. Really nice. Very good.
Now I can sit here and smell the honey. Can you taste it?
I can taste the honey. I can taste the honey and the soy sauce, but it's all beautiful. And the sauce into the rice, oh, just to die for. This is a great meal. I know you're going to love it. So if you like this segment, video, give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up.
Enjoy this segment. Please give us a thumbs
If you
up.
like this video, give us a thumbs up.
Subscribe
Hit that
if you haven't.
Yeah, subscribe if you haven't. And hit that notification bell. Ding, 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 ding. Cheers.
Twister got your tongue?
twister got my tongue. This is beautiful. This is really good.